Hey guys, welcome to Tricks. Today we will learn a trick to remember direct taxes and indirect taxes. So there are two types of taxes, direct taxes and indirect taxes, जिसको हिंदी में कह सकते हैं प्रत्यक्ष कर और अप्रत्यक्ष कर. Let us first learn what are direct taxes. These are four important direct taxes: wealth tax, property tax, corporate tax and income tax. These are the taxes which Government of India directly collects from the individuals and corporations. Now this is indirect tax. This is a kind of a tax which everyone pays through the products and services we use. In indirect taxes, we have excise tax, custom tax, service tax, market tax or VAT, and entertainment tax. Trick to remember the direct taxes: vpro.co.in. There is a company Wipro. Through that company, you can remember vpro.co.in, where that first part V will represent wealth tax, Pro will represent property tax, Co will represent corporate tax, and In will represent income tax. So just remember vpro.co.in and you will be able to remember the direct taxes. For indirect taxes, just remember excuse me. Here EX will represent excise tax, CU will represent custom tax, SE will represent service tax, M will represent market tax or VAT, and E, the last one, will represent entertainment tax. I'll be making similar videos. Please subscribe and hit thumbs up if you like the video. Thank you.